It is Sunday morning and we are out in the garage. I don't know if we've mentioned the truck not starting in the vlog yet. Have we? Have we been?
I have no idea.
I can't remember, but our truck hasn't been able to start. And we think it's the battery. We're gonna try to jump start it now and see if it starts up. And then we're gonna buy a new battery at Walmart. Hopefully that's all it is, because we kind of need both vehicles here. And we'll have to put a little bit of air in one of these tires, so we have to get our cars back up to optimum performance.
Yeah.
So that's our plan this morning on this dreary day. We're supposed to get a big rainstorm overnight tonight and all day tomorrow. So we're also going to have to unplug all of Ben's Halloween decorations so they don't blow away. But first, let's see if this jump start's going to work. It's alive! Well, we'll see. We'll see shortly if it's alive or not. Alright, will the truck start with the jump start? Whoa, it's alive! So, looking like we're gonna need a new battery. Wouldn't you say so, Mom?
Yep, new battery it is.
You're quite handy. I'm glad it's not the starter.
I do what I can.
So should we,
Yep.
while we're doing this, put some air in that tire?
Yep, we'll put air in the tire now.
Yeah,
Carry me, carry me, carry me! No, no, no!
Yeah.
Right here, push the O.
Okay.
Yep. There you go.
Oh, we have to turn them off because we don't want them to blow into our pond or into the woods or anything.
That's all we have to do.
You can see just from the little wind that we did get that some of them go right backwards.
Yeah.
Because the ground's so soft. We've been having so much rain that those little stakes that go into the bottom to hold them up, they just come right up as soon as the wind blows. Man, between the dreary weather, the car's not starting, and the ongoing saga of my clogged up ear, I have had a couple good days, and then just like, again. I popped it yesterday, but today it's like, I can only hear out of this side, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to go see the doctor. I'm gonna have to see the doctor. Speaking to my good ear.
Hey, this side.
Speaking to my good ear.
The battery's dying.
So it's so annoying. I've been using the drops and stuff. I'm sure everybody wants to hear about my ear, right? Right, Ben?
Right.
I've been using the drops, and that helps a little bit, but
I can't hear either, so I can't hear either.
so I think I'm gonna have to make a doctor's appointment to get this ear fixed so I can hear everything again. It's not raining yet, but I just unplugged the inflatables. They look so sad, like they all look drooped over. Don't want any of these guys blown away when the wind and the rain starts. I wonder if that ghost, the one hanging from the tree, will stay there during the storm. Whoa, I'm zoomed in on my face. Well, we came back from Walmart and bought this bad boy here. Brand new truck battery. Hopefully that'll be the end of our truck troubles. Because even after we jump started the truck and let it run for a little while, as soon as we shut off the truck and try to start it up again, it wouldn't start up.
Nope.
So, hopefully this new battery will be the remedy to this problem and we can use our truck again. Because we're really gonna need it in the weeks and months ahead. Is that battery heavy?
Yeah.
Is that battery heavy?
Yeah, it is. See? Ow.
It's super heavy?
Yeah, I hold my.
Aww.
So this battery right here is the same battery that's been in this truck since we bought it. We didn't buy this truck new.
Nope.
But we noticed this one was 27F, but at our Walmart they didn't have 27F. And when you entered our truck make and model into the little computer screen, it recommended 24F, which they did have in stock. So, and a quick Google search said that we could use 24F. So, We ended up 24 out. Nobody cares. All right, Ben, I can help you out.
Okay.
Mommy, I go to
You broke both your hands. Okay, I've disconnected the battery. John's gonna lift it out for me because I'm a little short. It's gonna be heavy.
Oh my goodness, that is heavy. Slipped a little bugger and heavy. I wish there was a handle to lift it out, don't you?
Well,
I guess you take the handle off on you.
yeah.
All right, let's see. I got
1.5. Oh my goodness. Heavy, heavy.
this part. Does go down here?
Yeah, that stays right there.
All right. Anyway.
Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
I have to bring this bad boy back to Walmart.
There we
Is
go.
that a main thing, or is that all over where we pay an extra $10 like deposit on this battery, and then we bring that battery back to Walmart and they give us our $10 back?
I have no idea.
I don't know if that's a weird main thing.
Okay, now we
I was looking for the holes.
put that plate back down and then we put the new battery right on that plate.
All right.
Okay, that's a mommy.
You got the battery?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look how much bigger that battery was, and that's a lot.
I know.
Okay, broken.
I don't think you have to take the handle off.
I know.
All right, so I'm gonna lift this up.
Yep.
Ugh. All right, which way do I put it
Right
in?
like that.
Oh. On the first try, huh?
Just like that. Okay. Here you go.
And the next one is.
Probably have to take the.
I don't know. Maybe I don't have to.
I don't know. Do we have to take the handle off? That's something we Google.
I think it'll be easier if we leave the handle on for later removals if we need to in 5 years. Right?
You would think so.
Okay, I'm gonna need a flashlight, so you're gonna have to put the camera down. I've replaced the battery.
Okay, fingers crossed. Here we go, moment of truth.
Uh-oh.
Let's take 2. 1.
Yay! Success! Yay!
That was a little nerve-wracking at the beginning.
We made it!
Yay!
We fixed the truck! Yay! Yeah, don't touch that, okay? It's
That's the old
gross.
yucky battery.
Don't touch that. It's yucky and dirty. Okay? Yeah, we got the new one and it's all set. High fives. Yeah. Oh, good, buddy.
Nice.
Oh, there you go. In a good spot. Where are you gonna put it? Oh, good job. Right there. Good job.
Go and hit it.
Stay back with Julie.
Go ahead, bud.
Hit it hard. Get it up, Teagan. Oh. What did you get?
Hey, you better wait your turn.
Good job. Okay, I bet it's gonna fall off this time. Okay, get ready, Teagan. I bet there's gonna be candy. Whoa! Oh, Teagan! Oh, it's on the ground! Go get some more, Teagan.
Go get a little bag. Amy's got a little bag.
Yeah, I'll send him to get one in a minute.
Okay.